How to recover deleted photos and videos from Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Snapchat application. Then tap on your profile icon from your top left corner. Now from your top right corner, go to the menu bar. Now scroll down and then you will find an option of My Data right above the logout button. Go in that section. After that, simply select what kind of data you want to download. In this case, it will be your chat media and shared stories. Now scroll down, tap on next, simply select the time range and then select submit, and then you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.